All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Bonsoir. Is that right?
Bonsoir.
Oh yeah, bonsoir.
Yeah.
I hope you're keeping well. We are here at IMCS MIEC Pax Media Studios, and our motto is
Faith in action.
Faith in Action. And you can tell this guy, man. This guy last year December did not know any single word in English, but right now he's doing good. Is that right?
Yeah, I
So-
get right. Yeah.
Yeah, true. He can actually hold a 1 hour conversation in English. My name is Joshua Okayo, and my brother is
Yeah, my name is Benit MOKE.
Benit MOKE
Yeah,
from DRC Congo.
from DRC. I'm the president of IMCS Congo, International Movement of Catholic Students. Yeah.
IMCS near Congo.
MIEC Congo. Yeah.
That's right. And
Yeah.
I am the president of IMCS in Kenya.
Yeah.
In Kenya, we call it NMCS Kenya. And so we're just so excited to welcome all of you to the World Assembly, our IMCS World Assembly 2023, beginning on 2nd of July this year. What do you say?
Hello guys, hello ladies.
Say something in French.
Ok. Bonjour à tous, bonsoir à tous, où que vous vous trouvez. Je suis Benit MOKE, je suis très content de partager ces moments de joie, ce moment de préparation de l'Assemblée mondiale du MIEC avec mon frère Okayo du Kenya. Et donc, nous espérons que toutes les parties prenantes se préparent en conséquence pour
Yeah.
que cette assemblée puisse produire beaucoup de fruits dans notre apostolat.
Yeah, true that. Je suis Joshua Okayo, and I am happy to host my friend and brother here from Congo. And we can't wait to hold our World Assembly. I am so excited. Although I'm going to attend virtually, I am so excited to start it. And my friend is traveling on Sunday the 2nd. Is it 2nd?
Yes,
Sunday 2nd.
Second.
Yes, traveling on Sunday 2nd July to Chiang Mai,
To Chiang Mai. Yeah.
Thailand.
Yeah.
And man, we can't wait to see this come to pass. Nice to meet you all, and have a great evening. What do you say?
Evening, everybody.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Bye bye and cheers.